Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can install Nmap on a Windows 10 device. So the first thing we'll need to do is to download Nmap. So we'll open a browser and search for Nmap download. We'll go to the link that takes us to nmap.org. So click on that link, and here as you can see there's different options for different operating systems, and since we are installing this on a Windows 10 device, we'll click on Windows, and here you have the latest stable release 7.95. so if you click on this, it should start the download. I already did the download, so I'm just going to cancel this and close out, and we'll go to the downloads folder, and this is the Nmap right here. So this is the setup file. All we have to do to install it is double click on it. We'll click on yes, I agree, and we'll just keep the defaults here, including Zenmap. So Zenmap is going to be the GUI version of Nmap. This is where it's going to install it. We'll click install. I agree, install, click on next and click on finish. Next, we can get a desktop icon, finish, and there's the desktop icon for Nmap GUI, which is Zenmap. So if we click on this, we get Zenmap, which is the GUI version. Now we can run scans using this. Let's try a quick example here. 172.16. so this is an IP address for the target, and you can select the type of scan here. You can do, let's do a ping scan, which is nmap-sn, and then the IP address. We'll do a scan, and it shows us the results right here. You can also change this and do a scene scan, and it gives us the results of the open ports, because it's a scene scan and also a port scan. Now if you wanted to run on the command prompt Nmap, we can open the command prompt. So let's search for cmd for command prompt, right click, run as admin, yes. Now if I try to do Nmap, let's say a simple ping scan, 161.100, I'm able to run Nmap here. Let's repeat the scene or port scan, copy, paste, and I'm also able to do that scan. Let's try one last thing. Let's see if we did nmap-help. You see that we are able to see the different options we have, which are quite a few. So this is where I ran nmap-h for help, and here you can see all the different options. Like the ping scan I just ran, this is where it's showing. The scene scan, this is where you see it. UDP scan, script scans, and so on and so forth. So you have the different options here that you can experiment or you can try. So that's all for this video. That's how you can install Nmap on a Windows 10 device. Normally people run this on Linux devices like Kali Linux, but if you wanted to run it on Windows 10 or 11, this is how you would do it. So I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.